Namaskar. Today we will discuss ectoparasiticides. So, ectoparasites are the parasites which live on outside of the host, outside of the body of the host. So, they live outside the body. That means they live on the skin, and two ectoparasites we will discuss today: ichmite and louse. And this ichmite biological name is Sarcoptes scabi var hominis, causes scabies. So the female mite is responsible. This female mite burrows into the superficial layers of skin, deposit eggs and grow, and it causes itching, which is usually worse at night, and this itching results in urticaria, rash, and ultimately leads to eczema, boils, abscesses. And this is transmitted by the carriers and mainly through contaminated blankets or contaminated clothing, favored by unhygienic conditions and crowded housing. And this each might needs a human body or skin to live. Outside the human body, it can survive in moist environment only, and for 1 to 2 days only, not more than that. The second is louse or pediculus humanus, and this causes pediculosis, and this louse can affect scalp, body, and pubic area, and accordingly it has three varieties: pediculus humanus capitis or pediculus humanus corporis, pediculus humanus pubis, affecting scalp, body, and pubic area respectively. And this louse also causes intense itching and results in impetigo and eczema. So the drugs against the scabies and pediculosis are called as ectoparasiticides. Against scabies they are called scabicides. Against pediculosis they are called as pediculicides. Scabicides include gamma benzene hexachloride or hexachlorocyclohexane, then crotamine, benzyl benzoate, sulfur, permethrin, monosulfiram, ivermectin. And most of these drugs are used topically. 1% ointment of gamma benzene hexachloride, 10% cream or lotion of crotamine, 25% lotion of benzyl benzoate, 10% ointment of sulfur, 5% cream of permethrin, 25% solution of monosulfiram are used topically as scabicide. Ivermectin, which is an antifilarial drug, this is also effective against scabies, and it is used orally single dose 200 microgram per kg body weight, and repetition of the dose after 2 weeks will eliminate almost 95% of scabies. This gamma benzene hexachloride is also a pediculicide, and here 1% ointment is also used. In addition to that, the dichlorodiaphenyl trichloroethane or DDT, 2% is used against if it is affecting scalp. Otherwise, 10% dusting powder is usually used. Then isobornyl thiocyanate 5% emulsion, permethrin 5% weight by weight cream, malathion 0.5% lotion are used as pediculicides. Kerosene oil is the cheapest form of cheapest drug used as pediculicide. The only thing is the person should not be exposed to fire, otherwise it is the effective as well as economic pediculicide. This is all about ectoparasiticides. Thank you.